what's going on. I got a sneak peek.
How much damage we got up there? Oh, hit the shifter.
This transmission will hold up to everything, man.
Jeez!
Oh yeah, look at that action.
I give up on YouTube. All right, here we go. If you missed the last video, we definitely broke this thing when we were down at Milan Dragway. So we're gonna get it up on the hoist now, assess the damage. You can get the reaction. You ready, Adam?
Get out of here.
Get out of here.
Live for real. Live for real.
Let's see what's going on. I got a sneak peek. All right.
All right.
Let's see what she looks like.
You ready?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
He's been blowing up there.
So I guess we already had really a little sneak peek of what happened. We slid a camera under here and seen, but doesn't look much different than what we've seen in the pictures. Definitely busted at the weld there. Got an aluminum one-piece drive shaft. How much damage we got up there? Oh, hit the shifter.
I hit the fuck out of that.
Did a little whack
yeah.
whack on the shifter there.
Hit the housing pretty hard there.
Dancing around.
Oh yeah, good thing for that little bit of foam there.
Yeah, little
Cushioned a bit by impact.
crucial foam placement.
So the tunnel looks fine. All right, so I guess the plan is we're gonna ditch the aluminum one-piece drive shaft and go back to steel, but a steel one-piece. So we need to pull this out, get these flanges off, and then drop the exhaust, drop the loop, pull that U-joint, and we should be out. Get a drive shaft made up, I guess, tomorrow, hopefully. And then we should be back in business.
Oh, he's gonna put a fucking race motor in soon, it's alright. 2 more seasons we'll be looking at race engines.
Well, I want the turbos mounted down here.
Actually?
Yeah, the turbos here. 2 of them. Jesus!
Nazi!
Ow! Oh, landed on my head. You got that? Yeah. Okay. All right, we're out here at Harmon's Driveline Shop getting a new drive shaft for the car. I think I mentioned going with a one-piece steel, so they're gonna whip up a custom one for me. Might be a little biased, but this is probably, well, I'm gonna say this is the best driveline shop in all of Ontario. So we got our guy Chris in here. He's whipping us up a drive shaft, and he's gonna take some video, and we'll plug that in here and pick up the new drive shaft and go from there. Hey, what's up? You get a brake clean on this motherfucker? Brake clean!
Hang on, man, I'm filming. PEGELOZ coming in. He's got something surprise for us. I don't know what he's got.
Did you hear that sound?
Pokeroo!
Pokeroo, pokeroo.
Is that the pokeroo?
Pokeroo! Pokeroo!
It is!
It is the pokeroo. How'd you do?
Pokeroo!
How are you?
Pokeroo!
What do you say?
Pokeroo!
Pokeroo.
Check out my shaft, boys!
Oh yeah, look at that action there.
Careful my shaft. Look at that.
Wow.
Hey, you like that, Adam?
Cooper wants it too.
Wanna see
Oh,
my
he's
shaft? Down there?
Adam's ready for it.
Come on over here. Let me show you my shaft. Look at this nice fresh
Lay
unit.
her down.
Boom.
Oh yeah,
All steel.
she's a beaut.
Steel one piece.
Yeah.
Custom. Harmon Heavy Vehicle Specialist. Driveline shop. Hey, stay down. You fuck. So yeah, got the old fucking steel one piece now. I think I did tell.
Hey,
Hey,
enough of that.
I think I did mention that it was. Oh, you fuck. What a dick. Fuck you, get out of here.
Cooper, that's enough of that. He needs you to pet him, that's why.
It's the gloves, you trying to
Oh
bump.
yeah, that is the gloves. Get the hell out of here. Get going.
Hey.
Alright, cut.
Yeah, so someone was asking what drive shaft was on the car. I did say Ford Racing, but we replaced that Ford Racing one. When we twisted the axle tube, there was like 1/8 of an inch that was taken out of it. What a fucking dick. I give up on YouTube.
He's gonna start again.
Right, so someone was asking what drive shaft was in there. I thought it was the Ford Racing one, but when we twisted the axle tube, I got the shaft replaced because there was like 1/8 of an inch that was rubbed out of it from a bolt that was underneath. So I'm not gonna mention who did the drive shaft because kind of in the works right now to see if they're gonna cover it under warranty because those welds were obviously shit. So anyways, shout out to Harman Heavy Vehicle Specialist. Chris over there hooked me up with the drive shaft. So if you need any quality drive shafts, Harman Heavy Vehicle Specialist. But we'll get this bitch thrown in and we'll be, oh, this is wheelie approved too. So I made sure that I had the wheelie warranty on it. So we got to pull some wheels.
Let's see if the transmission can hold up to it.
Oh, this transmission will hold up to everything, man. This is the best MT82 that's out there in captivity.
Go knock on that wood.
There's got to be, no, it's not going to break.
You don't? No.
It's not going to break. We got to figure out what's that stock MT82 record because we need to beat it. We will beat it.
You can find a way to figure that out. I don't know if you can figure that out.
Oh yeah, I'm sure there'll be some kind of online record.
The YouTube record or?
No,
The
there'll be like
documented?
probably be on the
some kind
Coyote
of
stick
community.
shift.
Oh yeah.
I guess, yeah.
But that's the goal. We're keeping that transmissions going till it's done.
And then automatic.
No, fuck you. Automatic. This car will never be automatic. It'll be always a stick shift car. Right, Adam?
Right?
What do you think of my shaft?
It's wonderful.
Yeah.
What's that all about? Some kind of spray? Do they paint the motherfucker?
Oh, you got overspray on it.
So you did paint the motherfucker.
Chris, overspray. Jesus.
Nicely painted. A little bit overspray.
All right, let's get her installed.
Poker. You fucking pull the poker thing too.
All right, there we go. Drive shaft is all installed. Good to go with that. Our parts showed up that we were waiting for forever, but it was missing some components that we need. So I guess we'll probably roll that into this video when we're back out here in a night or a couple nights or whatever that looks like. But right, Bo?
That's right.
Yeah.
He's got a puny little output there, just
Little
like
output.
the Hellcat now.
Don't talk about my output like that. All right, we got a little ahead of ourselves here tonight, back out at Longton Fab. Well, as you can see, actually, no, there you go. No, yeah, as you can see,
Sorry.
this is the mods that we're getting to here is we're changing the front brakes out. So we did have the bare drag brakes on there. Just want to switch it up. Going over to the Strange, the Hot Boys, the new Hot Boys. Got a little ahead of ourselves here. We've already pulled off pretty much most of the old brakes, but we were playing around with the brackets and everything. There wasn't much for instructions that came with the kit. So it seemed like things weren't going to work out, but I guess there's some modifications. Nothing's ever bolt on these days. So luckily enough, I reached out to Jake at Strange.
Who are you talking to?
It's Jake from State Farm. Sounds like a really good deal.
Jake from State Farm at 3 in the morning? Who is this?
It's Jake from State Farm.
What are you wearing, Jake from State Farm?
Khakis.
Friday night, 10:30, and he actually responded. So he confirmed that we do got to cut some of the factory hub off here. We're gonna have to cut these ears off, and then we're gonna have to run a tap through there, right?
Yeah.
Tap those up to fit these brackets on, but yeah, that's kind of where we're gonna be headed now with that. Just switching it up to the new Hot Boys. They're actually a bit lighter too, so we don't really have a scale, I guess, to measure this stuff. It's actually significantly lighter. There we go. But yeah, I guess we'll get the tools out and put Bo to work. Well, we finished it up last night. Didn't get a ton of footage. Was getting it all together. So yeah, it's back on the ground, ready for some action. We got the Hot Boys on there, the Strange Evolution 4s. Took it out last night, batted in the brakes. Everything felt good. So now we're gonna take it out, enjoy it on the street for a bit. Going out with Bo and the Hellcat. All right, so we've had the car out for a couple tours. The brakes, the drive shaft, everything seems good. So I think we're ready to get this thing back on the track. We're 1 week out from our next race, which will be at St. Thomas Dragway here locally in Ontario for Pro Street 519's Blue Collar No Prep. So John Forbes puts that one on. So we'll be there next week for his event. We're actually gonna run in 2 classes. We're running small tire and daily driver. I know this is not a small tire car, but John puts on a really good small tire class where there's a $2,000 guaranteed buyout and it's only $1 buy-in. So really a no-brainer. At least I know I'm gonna get 2 passes when I'm out at St. Thomas next weekend, as long as it doesn't break. Look forward to getting you guys some more content. Hopefully the car goes rounds there and we get you a good video for the next one. But that video should be out shortly after next weekend. But aside from that, that kind of wraps everything up. If you haven't subscribed, you made it this far, hit the subscribe button. If you're not a member, a pro supporter member, go ahead and hit that join button on the main screen. Got a little bonus footage here. Adam picked up a sweet stick shift Ford Focus from out west, so I'll drop that in here, and that'll be it for the video. So we'll catch you guys on the next one.
And Adam's got a new whip. Check her out, boys.
Oof. Look at that.
That doesn't
Look at the smile on this guy's face. Holy.
That doesn't scream daily, boys.
No. You gotta show him the sub. Show him the sub.
Oh, the subsonic
Factory
woofer.
system
You
in
ready
this.
for this?
In this biatch.
The Sony's subsonic woofer.
Damn, that must pound, eh?
Yeah. All 8
Yeah.
inches of hell.
All 8 inches of hell. I gotta show you guys this though. This is the gangster stuff right here. Ooh. The old CD book. We got Adam's 2022 mix in here, burnt. No, he's got this guy. Whew. He had money back in the day.
Yeah,
Guy's got the full
Factory
ooh.
security system right here.
Oh yeah, got the stick shift.
Factory security.
Damn, look at this thing.
Wait,
05, eh?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Boogan
This is what
up
grown men get excited about now.
Right?
These mid 2000s.
Would you look at this?
Look at that. This thing came what? BC?
Yeah, it's a BC unit.
BC unit.
Definitely the only reason it's any kind of alive still.
We'll have to get out the draggy and do some pulls with it.
Definitely.
See what she runs.
There was a really oil burning MG midget on the way home that thought he would be cool from the lights, and
You took him home.
Put the hammer
Oh,
down.
we
already,
stabbed him out.
already fucking shifting
Stinking
gears.
rat trap.
That
Get
kind of
your
guy.
shit box out of
Stick
here.
shift shit. There
Stick
you go.
shift
yeah.
shit right there. Look at they even circled the problem.
Oh fuck. Sick.
Sweet.
Yeah, it's all right. I like it.
He's doing it.